Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone runs iOS 16 or later and that you're signed into Apple ID. This unlocks extension features. Once done, open Settings, then go to Safari or the app that supports extensions. This is where you control them. Tap Extensions, then enable the main toggle. Make sure to use Manage to add new items from the App Store or remove ones you no longer want. Doing this first avoids permission conflicts later and speeds setup. You now install and configure each extension. Search the App Store or the app's internal store, then download the package. After installation, open the extension settings to grant required permissions, camera, microphone, or full website access, because those permissions determine functionality. Next, return to Settings, right arrow Extensions to reorder, enable per site rules, and set default behaviors. Make sure to test on a single website first. That confirms you finish by using extensions from App Toolbars, Safari's Extensions menu, or the Share sheet. Activate only when needed to reduce background activity. Keep them updated via the App Store so compatibility remains intact, and clear cache or restart the host app if something misbehaves. If an extension fails, disable it, then re-enable. If that doesn't help, reset permissions or reinstall the extension. One key troubleshooting tip: force quit the app and reboot the iPhone before reinstalling. This often resolves hidden permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.